Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new, welcome to my channel. I hope that you like this one, and if you like this one, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notifications so you get notified every single time that I upload a video, which is basically every single Thursday at 9 p.m. I try to do that as much as possible. So if you don't want to miss anything, just subscribe and hit that bell notification so you get notified. So let's start with this one. See you at the end. Bye. So I'm going to add P. Louise base, and using the P. Louise brush, I'm going to distribute that P. Louise base all over the eye area that I will be working with. Now I am using a Sigma P88 to soften that base. Now I am using a Sigma E39 to add my first transition color. And using a Sigma E25, I'm going to diffuse the top area of that first transition into the skin. Now using a different Sigma E39, I'm going to add my second transition color. And again, using a clean Sigma E25, I'm going to diffuse one color into the other. Now using a smaller pencil brush, like a Sigma E34, I'm going to add my third and last transition color. Now going back with my Sigma E25, just to diffuse one color into the other. This Sigma E25 is clean. Now using smaller pencil brushes, I'm going to intensify those three colors. Basically, I am using right now a Sigma E30. Now using a Garnier cleansing water, I'm going to clean up the eyelid area or cut the crease. I use also a Sigma L06 to perfect the cleaning part. Now I'm going to add more P. Louise base to that area that I just cleaned. And using a P. Louise brush, I'm going to distribute that P. Louise base all over that area that was just clean. And using a Sigma L06, I can perfect that line of the cut crease area. I'm going to add a little bit more of pillowy space. Now using a Sigma E15, I'm going to add the first color into the inner part of the eyelid. Now using a different Sigma E15, I'm going to add the second color to the center of the eyelid. And then using a third Sigma E15, I'm going to add the third and last color to the outer V of the eyelid. Now using the first Sigma E15, I'm going to add this white foil eyeshadow. Over that first color that I just added. Then using the second Sigma E15, I'm going to add this coppery goldish color over the second eyelid color. These eyeshadows are beautiful. And then intensify just the last color. An angle brush. Clean up the area. With a Sigma E20, I'm going to add the last color into my lower lash line. I'm going to stop doing my eyes and start doing my face. Now using Laura Mercier translucent powder, I'm going to set my under eyes. Now I am going to use Fenty Beauty to contour my face. Now using a Sigma E15, I'm going to add that last brown color as my eyeliner. I'm going to add a little bit of black eyeliner. I'm going to curl my lashes using a Tri-Cosmetic curler. I'm going to add a little bit of mascara. Now I'm going to add my eyelashes. These are from Tribe Cosmetic and the style is Robin.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down.
So this is all, guys. I hope that you like this one. I hope that you enjoy this one and you have a relaxing time seeing this makeup look. If you want to see more details, don't forget to follow my Instagram account. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next one. Bye.